Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best shower shoes for college dorm women, the shevalues shower shoes. If you're living in a dorm or frequently using shared showers, these shoes could be exactly what you need for comfort, safety, and convenience. Right off the bat, these shower shoes stand out because of their thoughtful design focused on functionality and comfort. They're made with high elastic ethylene vinyl acetate, or EVA, which is known for being lightweight and durable. This material makes the shoes both water-resistant and quick-drying, ideal for damp environments like dorm showers, pools, or beaches. One of the most impressive features is the built-in arch support. The ergonomic footbed helps to balance pressure across your feet, which means less stress and more comfort when you're standing or walking. This is particularly important for long days on your feet or if you suffer from foot fatigue. The arch support sets these apart from many other shower slippers that tend to be flat and unsupportive. Additionally, the shoes feature strategically placed drain holes that accelerate water drainage. This allows the shoes to dry quickly after getting wet, reducing the risk of slipping and also preventing that soggy, uncomfortable feeling you get with some shower footwear. The sole is textured for anti-slip performance, giving you secure footing even on slick, wet surfaces. These shower shoes slip on easily without any complicated closures, which adds to their convenience. The lightweight nature means you can carry them around effortlessly, whether in your backpack or beach bag. Plus, they're machine washable, so maintaining them is a breeze. The color options are nice and vibrant, with a popular choice being the bright pink shade, which adds a fun, stylish touch without compromising on practicality. The sizes cater to a broad range, accommodating both women and men with a size chart that makes it easy to find the perfect fit. When it comes to durability, the EVA material and solid construction suggest these shoes will last through regular use in various wet environments. Their waterproof quality ensures that your feet stay protected, whether you're in the dorm shower, walking by the pool, or hitting the beach. To sum up, the shevalues shower shoes combine comfort, support, and practicality in a stylish package designed specifically for dorm life and shared wet spaces. Their quick drying feature, anti-slip sole, and arch support make them a smart choice for anyone looking to protect their feet without sacrificing comfort or style. If you're looking for reliable, lightweight shower shoes that can handle college dorm showers and more, these might just be the best option out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.